Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So with reference to the Financial Stability and Development Council, okay, so what is this Financial Stability and Development Council? Okay, so it is a non-statutory, which means it's an executive body. Okay, so there is no acts or law related to this committee or this council. Okay, so it is one of the executive organ. Okay, under the Ministry of Finance. Okay, it is created by the executive order in 2010. Okay, by the recommendation of the Raghuram Rajan committee. Okay, these are the factual data you have to memorize. Okay, so the objective is to strengthening and institutionalize the mechanism of maintaining the financial stability and enhancing the interregulatory coordinations and promoting the financial sector. Okay, so what is this enhancing the interregulatory coordination? Okay, so it is chaired by the finance minister and its members include all the financial sector regulatory. Okay, RBI, SEBI, okay, and then the pensions regulatory, okay, and then the insurance regulatory organ, okay, finance secretary, secretary of the Department of Economic Affairs, secretary of the Department of Financial Services, and chief economic advisor also part of this. Okay, so everyone will there, okay, and they will discuss about the financial stability. Okay, so see, major issue with the financial instability is the reason behind the financial instability is one of the organ, okay, related to the financial sector will make any decision. Okay, other organ will make a certain other decisions. So there is a tussle. Okay, so that leads to the financial instability in India. Okay, to overcome that, they created a forum. Okay, so this is like a discussing forum. Okay, so it is actually about a collaborative approach. Okay, so everyone in this forum will discuss about it and they will make decisions that are in alignment with every other panel. Okay, every other department. Okay, so for that only they created this forum or this council. Okay, it is one of the executive organ. Okay, so in 2018 the government reconstituted the FSDC to include the Ministry of States responsible for the Department of Economic Affairs, Secretary of the Department of Electronic and Information Technology, and chairperson of the IBBI, okay, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Okay, so please note that here main thing is the Secretary of the Department of Electronic and Information Technology also part of it. Okay, please note that. Okay, there may be the question. Okay, so there is a other possibility for inviting the experts. Okay, so these are the major things about the Financial Stability and Development Council. Now you go to the question. Okay, it is the organ of Niti Aayog. No, it is under the control of the finance minister. Okay, so it is under the control of the Ministry of Finance. Okay, so first statement is wrong. Okay, it is headed by the Union Finance Minister. It's right. Okay, it monitors the macroprudential supervision of the economy. It's also true. So the answer is it's not 1. Okay, so 2 and 3 only. So answer is C. Okay, so these are the factual type questions they may ask. Okay, thank you.